the L in lamb and the R in ram. Pronunciation Activation Pack 36. L, lamb, R, ram. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the consonant sounds L and R. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the L and R sounds. We'll look at lots of words which have the L and R sounds in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the L and R sounds correctly. Approximants. The L and R sounds are approximants, which come somewhere between the vowels and fricatives in the amount of turbulence they cause to the airflow. The L and the R sounds on the chart are shown in green, which means they're voiced. They don't have unvoiced counterparts. Letter combinations for L. This lateral approximant has these letter combinations, L and double L. Silent L. The silent L is often found in words which have the following letter combinations: ALF, ALK, ALM, ALV, AULK, OLK, OLM, OLN, OLO, and OULD. Letter combinations for R. This approximant can have these letter combinations: R, double R, WR, and RH. Practice. The fat-bellied colonel was buried with a berry in his belly. Practice. Browse for a blouse in Lincoln. Practice. The flesh should be fresh. Practice. The prow should plough through a calm sea. Practice. Would you look at that rook? Problems for students. The biggest problem for students comes from the words which differ only in the L and R sounds. This is a notorious problem for students whose first language isn't European. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at minimal pairs differing only in the L and R sounds. Resources and activators. As with all my English activation packs, this activation pack has valuable resources to help you activate the language in this lesson. Download the resources from the link at the top left. You'll also find the activators at the end of the pack. These will give you plenty of exercises to help you make the language in this lesson part of your active vocabulary. Free English material. Are you a Britisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all learning the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.